Hello there, moin moin ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Donboxing, and today I have for you sent from our friends at Saccater and our earplug, and we are taking a look at the Saccater Luna, and as you can see, glow in the dark earplugs. I like this idea very much because for me personally at least, I do use earplugs regularly while sleeping, and sometimes I put them in the middle of the night, and just seeing them without turning the light on around you is actually pretty nifty. So I like this idea here. And as usual, disclaimer here, right, they have sent this over without any conditions. So everything here is exactly how I find it. And this is again just the unboxing. And the actual review will come later on. And let me remove the paper or the plastic here. And as you can see here, this is again one of the, I want to say, not high isolating earplugs. Comes with 13 decibels of noise reduction here, which is not a whole lot. But it should be enough at least for some light situations, and of course I will give this a try, especially for sleeping. But yeah, the accessories here so far, if you've seen the other Saccater earplugs, is exactly the same here, the packaging. That means they use this packaging smartly. This surrounding here is actually double walled. That means this is the cushioning it needs. As you can see, I can press this in, and I do like this type of packaging. It's nicely recyclable, and that's thoughtful. And here the accessories for the Luna. Let me just open it like that. And we get a whole lot of accessories here. Okay, let's go through it. Apparently this here comes with the strap that you can use to basically attach them together so you don't lose them. That's a nice accessory for some people, but for me personally, I don't use this for sport or any other situations where I might need, where I might have them in different locations. So I don't think I will need this. And then we get again the, this is not silicone foam ear tips, this is the opposite, this is foam silicone ear tips. As you can see here, the outside is foam and the inside is silicone. And I will tackle this again in the review because these look pretty similar to the ones that I had gotten with the last earplug. And then we have the normal single flange earplugs here. You can see, ear tips, sorry. Just regular silicone ear tips, nothing special about them. A bit hard on the inside, but not too much. The double flange ones here, which I actually did like with the previous iteration. And then, this is new. I don't think I've seen this blue pair or this blue set here. Let me just remove an earplug here, an ear tip, to check out what is special about them. So on the first glance, the only thing I noticed, these are super slippery. Like literally if I just do it like this, they will slip out of my fingers. That's how slippery they are. And the ring around the outlet seems to be a tiny bit thicker. And ooh, these are pretty damn hard. Wait, let me just get the white ones as comparison. Not that these just slightly different. These are, again, very similar. Might actually be identical, just be different color, at least judging from this one here. No, this actually is a bit more slippery to the left, but this could also be just due to the different color and having slightly different surface properties, or it could be a different ear tip. I need to check the product description for that. Other than this seems to be identical, so they are both relatively hardcore. Actually, no, this is even harder. This one is slightly softer, as you can see, but this one almost doesn't deform. Interesting choice. Let me quickly flop this over so we can check out the core on the inside here. It just looks like silicone, and it's not even that thick to begin with, but somehow this is a really hard silicone, so interesting choice. I will definitely try these out and see how what they do isolation wise and how they work fitment wise. Then again, we have the carrying pack here, which again is just matte black, and it twists open like this. And again, this is the new iteration here, which you only need to rotate for like 3/4 of a turn opens. I like to see that. And oh, that's pretty cool. Whoa, it's actually, is there 2 sets in this? Interesting. Oh, this is a blue one. And this here is, wait, let me, wrong way open it. A transparent one. Oh, actually Okay, interesting. You get 2 sets with this one, apparently. Again, I will check the product description for you to see what is about the product details here, because I have not read this so far. But I will do so, of course, for the review. And I've seen other improvement here. What I really liked, that they took some of the feedback I gave and other people serious. They replaced the silicone strip that came out directly of this inlet here with a normal nylon strip. This should be more lasting, definitely an improvement, because the silicone will just, floop over time, and nylon should just be the more lasting material here. And it does fit also the glow-in-the-dark aesthetic. And also attention to detail, because this one is, again, glow in the dark. So if I keep this close to my light source here, which is directly here, over time this should tank essentially, or refuel its energy, and then it should just be glowing in the dark. And I think they said in the rough check I had here, this is supposed to glow for up to 6 hours or something like that. I will test this for you. I will check this out, basically get this enough light over the day, and then put it near my bed and see how long it actually lasts, so you get to know this in detail. Yeah. And then let's quickly just look at the transparent blue color here and at some of the details. So again, this is the blue ear plug or blue ear tip here, and this is pretty damn hard at the front. And what I also do notice, this is the version that has the mesh here in the front, so this actually is breathable, has a hole here, but this also means something that I had asked before or complained with one of our previous products. Now we have the disadvantage that everything here is hard. There's nothing pliable, it's nothing soft. And that means if your ear is a bit on the smaller side, or if you sleep like this on the side, this is going to be a bit hard and not pliable, and that can create discomfort here. And also what hasn't changed is this indentation here. I have still no clue what this is supposed to do. Don't know, but I will again try this out and tell you how it's working later on. And other than this, I mean, you can see it's ABS plastic, so this should last just fine, durability-wise. And it should also be pretty break resistant, because this is relatively thick material for how small this is. So there is not too much of a leverage going on in any direction. It shouldn't break for you while using this. And yeah, again, this should also glow in the dark, so I will also check this out, how this is looking. Unfortunately, I'm not sure how well this will be visible in camera if I turn off the lights off. I will try this for the review, but not for the unboxing here. So yeah, that's it, the unboxing for the Saccater Luna. And yeah, curious how this works. Really, this is, for my use case, perfect. Yeah, like really just glows in the dark. I can see it in the night when I'm sleeping, and when something disturbs me, just put it in, I see it. But I will see, of course, how this works. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Questions, recommendations, or criticisms, please leave a comment. Donspektor out.